Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna show you how to install React project using UMI. UMI is a framework to AntDesignPro. So we just can googling UMI React install. Okay, you choose the my official page of AntDesign. This and.design. We waiting. So the step is so simple. We just copy this instruction and go to command prompt and go to a folder to place our project, and we just paste the previous copy. So you can create, and after that you can create UMI and our project. I will name it first below. Okay, just enter and wait. It will take time, so we just wait, and I will skip it for now. So in the middle of the process, we have to choose what boilerplate type that we want to use, and because we want to AntDesignPro, just choose AntDesignPro and click enter. Push enter. So wait again. So they will let us to choose again about the Pro version 4 or version 5, and I'm just choose the version 5. It's depend on you. You want to choose the Pro version 5 or Pro version 4. Okay, our UMI is already, so we just go to our code editor. I'm using again Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is our project that we already created before. So the name is first Milov, and we have many folders in there. So there's a config, mock, public, source. We can just view the page with run our terminal now, and then start. Okay, they said it's error. I think I already get this error before, so you just have to install again inside the UMI. Yeah, I think it's best, but we have to do this to make it run. So after we finish install the yarn again, so we can just we try to yarn start. Okay. So after the compiled successfully, we just can see our page in our localhost address. To back to Google Chrome and go to our local. Okay, just wait, and the AntDesignPro is processing. So the path is user/login, and this is the first page. So if I want to divide my screen now. So Visual Studio Code. So about the path, they say localhost/user/login, and we can just find it in config.ts for the router. So just search about the path user/login, and user/login have the component in user/login too. In the source slice page slice user and slice component. This is the component of the page, like the input data entry, like the header, like the button. Everything is places on this folder. So if you want to edit the index page of user/login, we just go to index.tsx. Okay, this is the page. I will scroll it down. So This is the login form, our login form. This is the behavior, the Chinese language. So we just can edit the component in here, and just a username. Username is a data entry for username input type that already has a template from the AntDesignPro and the behavior too. And if you want to edit the like a placeholder, just like this and save it and reload this page. Okay, it's already changed. The placeholder is user with the column admin or user. So what if we try to change the password data entry with the username, and we can see what is the change of the page. Okay, reload it again. So the icon before is lock the password, and it changed to user icons like that. Another change, can see. Okay, just reload again. Okay, the password is changed to okay. What if we just try to admin on our user? We just can admin and with the password under design. Okay, this is a login button, I think. So yeah, welcome. So slice welcome. We can see again on config.ts. What is the path of welcome? The welcome is component slice welcome. But because we go to the admin, so just can go to admin subpage, the admin.tsx. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Hope it will help you. I'm sorry if I had any mistaken or something that I don't explain it, but that's what I do before. So hope it will help you again and enjoy it. Thank you.